Welcome everyone. How are you all? I hope you are all doing great. First of all, before we even start off this video, I want to say thank you so much for being so understanding. In yesterday's video, everybody was super understanding. I didn't see anybody getting triggered in the comments section about the fact that I'm leaving the country during a pandemic, which I mean, there's no need for that. We already talked about that. You were all super understanding. You were all super nice. You were all talking about how great it is that I'm able to go see my family that once a year. You were all telling me to take a break, which is unbelievable because I didn't think that would be the reaction. I decided, you know what? If I take a break, there is that very slight chance that I won't go back to this as easily as I'd like to. So I decided against taking a break. I'm going to keep plowing on for you guys, no matter how hard it might be for this week, because today is VR Monday. I welcome you to VR Monday. So I woke up earlier today just to be able to record before I go to work. So need my coffee for the day. So I woke up like early before most people even get up. But today's a super exciting video because last time I released a video on how to get Minecraft on your Oculus Quest. And I knew releasing that video was pretty controversial because not everybody has a gaming PC, so not everybody that has an Oculus Quest, in fact, most people that buy a Quest probably wouldn't have a gaming PC. Because the Oculus Quest is a standalone headset, the main point of it is you don't need a gaming PC. So I knew by releasing that video, it wasn't going to be for everyone. But, of course, you guys down in the comments section, again, very respectful. We must have like one of the greatest communities on YouTube when it comes to respect. You guys are amazing. You should be very proud of yourself. You guys didn't scream at me, didn't tell me I was wrong. You just straight up told me very respectfully that there is a way to get Minecraft Bedrock Edition, well, specifically Minecraft Gear VR Edition, on your Oculus Quest, which is why we have this controller here, because that is exactly what we will be doing today. First thing you are going to need on your computer is either going to be ADB, so minimal ADB and fast boot, or even easier, which is what we are going to be using, Sidequest, because every time I use ADB, people are like, oh, that's unnecessary. You can just use Sidequest. So, I mean, we're going to use Sidequest. I like my ADB because I like the terminal, but I'm going to make it as easy as possible for you guys. We're going to use Sidequest. So Sidequest, the link for Sidequest is down in the description below. If you guys don't have it yet for some reason, it is an absolutely incredible program that lets you do so much with your Oculus Quest. Next thing you're going to need is the Oculus Quest. That's the standard right there. Drop something. Oh, my graphics tablet isn't there on the wall today. Okay, so here we have my Oculus Quest. Come on, pop out. There we go. Okay, and the last part, this part might be the hardest. You are going to need an APK for Minecraft Gear VR Edition. Now, I purchased it because I used to have a Gear VR, so I actually have it. And I exported that APK, so I have that APK exported on my desktop. There's a way you can get it without having a Gear VR. You can either create an emulator on Nox, buy it there, and export it through that. A link to that tutorial will be down in the description below. And then, of course, there's different ways just to get the APK file. I'm not going to show you guys how to do that. That is entirely up to you. I don't promote it, but I do understand that some people are going to want to do that, so I don't promote it, but it's there if you want to do that. So yeah, there's a lot of different ways to get the APK. I'm going to have the legit tutorial down in the description below, but you get my drift. So first of all, let's power on our Oculus Quest. And the fourth thing you are going to need, you will need some sort of controller, because unfortunately the Gear VR Edition, well, it's for the Gear VR, meaning you don't have touch controller support. So you're not going to have hands. It's still going to be great, don't get me wrong. I still think this is going to be entirely playable and really fun. But you are going to need some sort of Bluetooth controller that you can connect with your Oculus Quest. In fact, the sad part is this one doesn't do Bluetooth, so I'm kind of hoping OTG will work. I mean, I'm just hoping it'll work, because if it doesn't, I'm screwed, because I don't have a controller. So the Quest is now powered on, I think. Oh, yep, we're in. Okay, so now that we have the Quest powered on, we can switch to the computer and I can show you what to do on the computer from there. Okay, so here we are on the computer. First thing you are going to want to do is you want to plug your Oculus Quest into your computer. Make sure you have developer mode on, you know, all the good stuff to get Sidequest going. If you guys have never gotten Sidequest going before, there's a lot of tutorials online. I'm not going to bother wasting your time showing you how to do that. In fact, I even have a tutorial on how to enable developer mode. I will put it somewhere here, so you guys should be set on that. Most important part, you need to get your quest connected to Sidequest. So then we launch Sidequest. Just like this. This is Sidequest if you guys have never seen it. It's a great little app. It allows you to install third-party applications on your Oculus Quest. It's absolutely great. So what you are going to want to do is you want to click up here. Install APK from folder on computer. You want to click into desktop or wherever you have your APK file saved. And as you can see, here is my exported Gear VR file. So you want to double click on that, starting app install, and boom, all tasks completed, which means you have successfully flashed that APK onto your Quest. So now I'm going to enable the streaming service so that you guys can see what's happening on the Quest. And now it's time to connect our controller to the Oculus Quest. This is the part that's going to be slightly difficult to say the least. So let's go, let's do this. Let's check this out. Okay, so I'm going to confirm my Guardian. So what you guys will want to do is you will want to click into here, your apps. Then this is the new interface. Oh, I'm not sure how to use the new interface. I believe you want to go to unknown sources. System UX has stopped. Oh, this keeps happening. I don't know why. Oh, it has to not do that. Does anyone else have this issue, or is this just me? This sucks. I can't. We need to stop. I'm gonna get. Okay. Hi. So guys, I managed to get it working. I'm pretty upset. I had to disable the universal menu. It just kept crashing if I didn't disable it. It's really annoying. And I could not use the Quest. Like, I barely got the thing turned off. Anyway, if your controller has Bluetooth, I guess you use Bluetooth. Again, I don't have Bluetooth, so I'm gonna try using the Xbox controller. I don't have a micro USB cable. I've switched to USB-C and I have no micro USB cables. I guess this one's coming out of its case. This is kind of like my nice cable that I didn't want to take out of its case yet. Jesus. God damn it. Whatever just happened there. Stop. Well, that just vibrated. Okay, let's turn on Minecraft VR and see what happens. Whether this controller is even going to work. Allow, yeah. Just allow everything, I guess. Oh my god. Game controller required. Okay, so... yeah. This isn't going to work. This looks really, really good. Like, it looks totally playable. And I mean, it's again... Oh, I have an idea. Just because I don't want this video to be a failure. Okay guys, I'm gonna figure out how to do this. And I will be right back. Guys, I have managed to do this. I have literally managed to do this. I think we need to sign in to Xbox Live, which is something I don't want to do. I don't want to do that. I don't. Honestly. Can I not? Yes! Oh my god, guys. My brother has saved this video. That is just the truth. My brother has saved this video. By handing me this. He has truly saved this video. Oh my god. Here we are. In the beautiful world of Minecraft. As you can see, it works. I mean, I can't move or walk because, oh, I can. Oh, yeah, let's go, lads. If I let go of this, it, like, starts doing 360s because this controller is broken. But, oh, what the hell? Okay. But this totally works. Okay, I'm gonna try jump. There we go. And now I'm gonna do a rotation. Let's break something. Let's break something. Okay, we're not going to, I guess. That's not for us. Breaking stuff isn't for us. Let's do a full 360 rotation. And let's try break something. No? No? Okay, I guess we're not breaking anything. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be very honest with you. I don't think this is going to go anywhere. Okay, so I mean, we're just gonna have to walk around like this. This is absolutely amazing. Here we are, running Minecraft, well, pretty much Bedrock Edition, just only on the Quest itself. This is absolutely incredible. And I mean, if the controller was working, we'd actually have some fun, but this is also fun. This is fun on its own. We can work with this. Oh, this is great. No, stop turning around. Oh, this is amazing. This is just great. As you guys can see, it works. It works, and it works really well. Like, honestly, that's it. This is done thanks to you guys, because you guys informed me about this. You guys told me that this is a thing and that you can in fact do this. And I am probably gonna get a working Bluetooth controller to actually play this properly, because that is so cool, honestly. The fact that you don't need a computer now to play Minecraft on your Oculus Quest is amazing. You just need a controller. Hopefully one that doesn't have controller drift, but that is insane. Thank you for like informing me about this, you guys. This is the great part about this community. You guys inform me about things I don't know about, and then I can bring it out to even more of you. So there it is. You guys can play Minecraft Bedrock Edition on the Oculus Quest without the need for a computer, and this is how you do it. I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a like. If you disliked it, I guess this button works too, but tell me why down in the comments section below. If you guys are not yet part of the community, make sure to follow me on my social media, here and here. I post tech videos daily and VR videos on Mondays and Fridays. Even though the schedule this week might be a little bit messed up, I am trying to do my best to get everything going and continuing the daily uploads for you guys. So if you guys want to see those daily uploads, make sure to smack that subscribe button with your forehead, ding my bell, and see you again in the next one. Peace. Also, if you haven't, join our Discord and join our Reddit, because I want to see your spicy memes. So, yeah.